Ever come across a bowl of dried petals that smell amazing? That's, let me spell it, Potpourri. How would you pronounce that? Potpourri? Absolutely not. It's pronounced potpourri. Potpourri. Potpourri is a mix of dried flowers, spices, and herbs used to freshen up a room. But guess what? Potpourri can also mean a random mix of different things. For example, her playlist is a potpourri of rock, pop, and jazz. Ooh, and that reminds me of one of my favorite music bands, Citizens of the Republic. Their songs are also a potpourri of different mixtures like rock. No, I don't think there's rock, but there's pop and jazz. Now you know. Potpourri, sweet smelling decor, or an eclectic mix. Say it with me. Potpourri. Try using it today. You know the drill. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and keep sticking with Echoes to Symphony.